We always ask ourselves whenever we have come to face with new beginnings, people will always say, have confidence. Have confidence in your new assignment. Have confidence in your new life. Have confidence in the new beginning that you are about to accept. And we ask ourselves, what is this confidence? Confidence is not about being brave. Confidence is not about being courageous. But confidence is more of realizing of who you are and what you can do.
Indeed, change is hard, and it seemed like a very short, almost 8 years of fruitful stay in St. John. Change is necessary though. I have learned so much about life, love, and sacrifice from the parishioners. To the parishioners of St. John, here present, salamat na balbalo. Well, I was briefed by my predecessor, Father Dudes de Los Santos, at kayo mapaga, di manad ALP, saray totoo, maaro, makatalus, tan maiter, lalo lan usipods.
How can we gain confidence in ourselves? One is to have confidence is to learn to connect points, dotted points. There are a lot of priests who serve. There are a lot of priests who work in this parish. And the parishioners of the Annunciation of the Lord simply experience something so different from each and every parish priest that they have. Sometimes we try to compare. Sometimes we try to say he is better and he is not. But rather than comparing the negative things, why not compare the best things? I believe in every parish priest that came here, they have something good points in them. This is a new beginning because you have a new pastor. And let us connect the points. I believe Father Alvin too will have to connect the points in his experience in Lawak. The best experience that he had in Orbis Tondo. The great memories that he had, the best points, the best dots in his life in St. John Cathedral. By your experiences together, you can put on your own color. Catching the eyes, catching the emotions, catching the best things in your life, and telling, with Father Alvin, we have connected our points. We have connected our dots, and we were able to finish what we have started with bright colors, with something that others would appreciate. The second that I would like to reflect with you, for us to gain confidence is to learn about the beauty of margins. We were taught in the elementary that we should not write in the margins, just to tell that there is something important, there is something that we can do in the margins. Jesus wrote his life in the margins because he dealt with marginalized people. He dealt with people who are at the margins of the society. When we can live in the margins, we can discover God. And it is there in the margins that we realize that there is something that we cannot do, and only God will do for us. You are weak. You are nothing. and there is something that someone that you need, and that is Jesus, and that is God. Start with something. Start with God. Joining in Senior Alvin, together you walk a journey connecting all the dots and be able even to walk in the margins of your life.